Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back with your boy Admiral Kunkka. It is the weekend and the Crucible is open, but in here it's called the Iron Bar. Dan di game Destiny Rising, dia hanya available di weekend aja ya guys ya. Game mode ini hanya PvP, artinya player versus player, nggak ada momon, hanya lawan musuh manusia juga guys. Dan seperti biasa kita pakai Yolder guys, cause she's so OP and she's so tanky. Jadi mumpung weekend dan the Crucible is open, kita gaskan PvP-nya ya guys ya. Launching activity. Dan kalau kalian pikir kalian jago main PUBG, main Call of Duty, all these FPS shooters, lu belum tahu aja nih. The gunplay of Destiny is next level guys. And I'll show you why in a game of Control. Tujuannya dari Control adalah menguasai 3 zona A, B, dan C. Semakin banyak zona lu kontrol, semakin banyak poin lu dapat saat lu bunuh musuh lu. So let's go do what we need to do and capture zone A. Gercep di sini dulu ya guys. And like I said earlier, if you have 1 zone, then when you kill an enemy you only get 1 point. But if you have 3 zones, well you get 3 points. Okay, first encounter, hit him with the shield throw. Give him a couple of body shots, maybe some headshots. Take him down, but as you can see, I got team shot there. Dan ini adalah salah satu faktor yang penting yang lo harus pikirkan dalam PvP kalau lo main Destiny. Now, I'm actually still mad, so I'm gonna go find that light bearer that got me. Untungnya kita bisa lihat radar untuk mengetahui di mana musuhnya. Then there she is, but she got me again, bro. Because just like me, she was looking at her radar, already anticipating gue berada di mana, skillsnya juga off cooldown, and frankly, she was ready for me. But let's focus on this one guy, throw him a shield, and finish him off with a couple shots. And immediately you wanna take some cover, lu reload dulu, but I'm still getting shot at here from 2 sources. So I shield slam for some HP and do some evasive maneuvers, bro. But check this out, okay, bro. This greedy bitch still wants to get me, okay, bro. But look at my evasive maneuvers, bro. Alright, man, I'm just jumping up in the sky like here, bro. Dan ini kenapa teamwork sangat penting dalam PvP ya. Karena sembari gue ngumpet, ada teman gue juga di belakang gue yang bantu nembak-nembakin si musuh gue yang tadi itu. Yang membuat fokus dia kepisah. And there she is, confused. I take her out. Alright, let's go retake zone A, guys. Let's push. So ya, inilah taktik-taktik dalam PvP yang harus lu pikirkan ya, guys. For example, taking advantage of situation. Misal ada musuh lagi kabur dari teman gue yakin dia tahu dia bakal mati. Just not by my shield, bro. He wasn't expecting that. Dan langsung gue harus gercep ngumpet cari cover karena gue tahu di depan gue, di hadapan gue akan ada banyak enemy guys. Dan yap, as you can see, gue makan skill dia dan gue balas juga dengan shield slam gue. Barter, bro. And I'm gonna be honest, bro, I'm kinda scared of this guy right now because he's jumping around, so I pop my ulti buat jaga-jaga guys. Ini namanya panic super, bro. Sebenarnya gak ada gunanya, tapi gue panik aja guys. And the action does not stop guys. Shield throw, but that guy panic ulti. Dia panik juga guys, tapi sia-sia karena dia lawan 3 orang langsung. No way he could beat that. Dan di sini I have to admit I made a mistake guys, karena hero Yolder ini hanya bisa menggunakan SMG yang jarak dekat. Musuhnya long range semua weaponnya. Jadi jatuhnya gue salting, bro. Mana mereka lagi terbang-terbang lagi ya. But that's okay, it's just a warm up. Baru 2 menit ya guys ya, kita lanjut aja nih. Tapi gue bikin kesalahan lagi guys. Nih lihat ya. So I'm chasing this guy right bro. I wanna kill him. I'm making some progress here. I'm focused on him, but I didn't know that di belakang gue ada orang yang nembak-nembakin gue, bro. Bertiga lagi, bro. Makanya jangan rakus. But sometimes you know it's hard to control that. Anyway, sembari liatin radar, gue udah tahu ada orang di sini dan gue sudah langsung engage aja ya guys ya. Now this is a genuine fight. We all had our skills on, we all had our ammo, and we were all just trading each and everything we've got. Gue tonjok-tonjok aja guys. Tapi ada orang di belakang juga guys, teammate dia. Saat revive langsung cari alasan untuk barbar lagi ya guys ya. Kali ini nggak pakai skill, gue tahu ada enemy di mana, gue tembakin aja kepalanya guys ya. Musuh juga pasti bingung karena di belakang gue juga ada teammates gue guys. So he doesn't know who to shoot. The best thing he could have done was disengage because it was not an ideal battle situation for him. Oke, musuh udah sekarat, push aja, shield slam, belum mati, shield throw. That's a solid kill for me. And watch this shit bro, okay bro. You see this guy right here bro? Dia panik bro, dia panik. Dia lempar skill tapi geli di gue bro. Gue tonjok-tonjok aja bro. He even pop his super in desperation, but I still punch through that shit bro. And the game is over. Quick match, 5 minutes only. Got 7 kills and 5 deaths. Not the MVP, but hey, it's just a warm up bro. Warm up doang ini bro. Kita gas another one on a different map guys this time. Let's go. Jadi gimana menurut kalian? Apakah gunplaynya lebih kompleks dikit daripada PUBG dan Call of Duty and all that? Menurut gue sih iya ya, lebih ribet, lebih technical, dan lu harus banyak berpikir dan make a lot of split decisions. Dan teamwork dan awareness sangat penting di game ini guys. Okay, let's go langsung cap zone C and langsung get into the action karena gue udah tahu di sini bakal banyak musuh. Gue langsung ke sini prepared already with my shield. Toss it at this guy, recall, give him a couple shots, kill him. I almost died too, but I'm alright because my team is with me. Ya, gue kabur ditembak-nembakin tapi gue survive guys karena gue ada pasif dari shield slam yang tadi. Oke, sambil ngumpet kita tungguin si skillnya aktif lagi. Lempar aja, recall, get a kill, reload sambil cover biar siap untuk another engagement bro. Shield slam and just give him some lovely bullets. Sekali lagi jangan lupa reload biar kita bisa siap untuk engagement berikutnya. And I can see somebody over there already bro. I know him. I'm gonna go for him. Shield throw. bro. And finish him off with a couple bullets. Easy game, boys. Okay, nggak sempet reload, but I gotta shoot this guy, bro. I gotta shoot this guy. Mumpung dia distract sama teman gua, follow up with a shield slam and finish him off with some bullets, bro. Untung gua udah reload karena the action does not stop, bro. Another kill for me and my shield is ready to be thrown, and that's another kill, bro. Kuncinya adalah anticipation without hesitation, guys. And of course, shooting at people when they're not focused on you. Like this guy, for example, and the last guy too. Here, catch this, some bullets. How about hands, bro? You wanna catch some hands, bro? Here's some hands, bro. I'll punch the shit out of you, bro. Dan BTW dia lagi pakai supernya ya, bro. Jadi harusnya dia lebih tebel dikit, but it doesn't matter, man. And here's another distracted individual. Let's just shoot him up. Reload and push, but check this out. Look at these two motherfuckers right here, bro. Obviously, gua takut, jadi gua shield slam dulu, nih ya. Bam, and just hit my ult because, damn, bro, gua gak mau mati, bro. But we need to move, langsung engagement lagi, tembak-tembakin aja, and watch this, bro, okay? Walaupun musuh udah kesana, shield gua kan bisa bounce ya, bro ya. And just in case masih ada yang hidup, gua pre-fire dulu di situ. Nah, di sini gua sebenarnya niatnya capture zone A, but I saw somebody, bro. I can't let it go, man. I had to chase that guy. Ladies and gentlemen, very important lesson. Ini tes kesabaran ya, guys ya. Sometimes you just can't be greedy because that might just happen to you. But that's okay because I got my shield ready. Throw that and pull it right back. Dan dengan 3 detik lagi, I think the game is over dan kita menang, guys. Dan look at me, bro. 13 kills, 1 death. MVP? MVP dong, bro. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, teman-teman, that is the Iron Bar game mode. 100% PvP dan hanya tersedia pada weekend saja. And if you guys enjoyed this content and want to see some more crazy stuff, please give a like and subscribe. Nama saya Laksamana Kunkka dan saya melaksanakan. See you in the next one.